The endocrine system is made up of the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, and testicles. In general, a gland selects and removes materials from the blood, processes them, and secretes the finished chemical product for use somewhere in the body. The endocrine system affects almost every organ and cell in the body. Although the hormones circulate throughout the body, each type of hormone is targeted toward certain organs and tissues. The endocrine system gets some help from other organs such as the kidney, liver, and gonads, which have secondary endocrine functions. The pituitary gland is often called the master gland because it controls several other hormone glands in your body, including the thyroid and adrenals, the ovaries, and testicles. It secretes hormones from both the front part and back part of the gland. Hormones are chemicals that carry messages from one cell to another through your bloodstream. The hypothalamus serves as a communication center for the pituitary gland by sending messages or signals to the pituitary in the form of hormones which travel via the bloodstream and nerves down the pituitary stalk. These signals in turn control the production and release of further hormones from the pituitary gland, which signal other glands and organs in the body. The thyroid gland is about 2 inches long and lies in front of your throat below the prominence of thyroid cartilage, sometimes called the Adam's apple. The thyroid has two sides called lobes that lie on either side of your windpipe and is usually connected by a strip of thyroid tissue known as isthmus. Some people do not have isthmus and instead have two separate thyroid lobes. The thyroid is part of the endocrine system, which is made up of glands that produce, store, and release hormones into the bloodstream so the hormones can reach the body's cell. The thyroid gland uses iodine from the foods you eat to make two main hormones. It is important that T3 and T4 levels are neither too high or too low. Two glands in the brain, the hypothalamus and the pituitary, communicate to maintain T3 and T4 balance. The hypothalamus produces TSH releasing hormone that signals the pituitary to tell the thyroid gland to produce more or less T3 and T4 by either increasing or decreasing the release of a hormone called thyroid stimulating hormone. The parathyroid glands are four tiny glands located in the neck that control the body's calcium levels. The parathyroids produce a hormone called PTH. PTH raises the blood calcium level by breaking down the bone, increasing the ability to absorb calcium from food, increasing the kidney's ability to hold on to calcium that would otherwise be lost in the urine. Also, normal parathyroid glands work like the thermostat in your home to keep blood calcium levels in a very tightly controlled range. When the blood calcium level is too low, PTH is released to bring the calcium level back up to normal. When the calcium level is normal or gets a little too high, normal parathyroids will stop releasing PTH. Proper calcium balance is crucial to normal functioning of the heart, nervous system, kidneys, and bones. The adrenal glands are small structures attached to the top of each kidney. The human body has two adrenal glands that release chemicals called hormones into the bloodstream. These hormones affect many parts of the human body. Each adrenal gland is composed of two distinct parts. The outer part is called the adrenal cortex, and the inner adrenal medulla. The adrenal glands secrete different hormones which act as chemical messengers. These hormones travel in the bloodstream and act on various body tissues to enable them to function correctly. All adrenocortical hormones are steroid compounds made from cholesterol. The pancreas is an organ located in the abdomen. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body cells. The pancreas has two main functions: an exocrine function that helps with digestion, and the endocrine function that regulates blood sugar. The endocrine component of the pancreas consists of islet cells that create and release important hormones directly into the bloodstream. Two of the main pancreatic hormones are insulin, which acts to lower blood sugar, and glucagon, which acts to raise blood sugar. Maintaining proper blood sugar levels is crucial to the functioning of key organs including the brain, liver, and kidneys. The ovaries are a pair of ova-producing organs that maintain the health of the female reproductive system. The ovaries, like the female counterpart, the testes, are known as gonads. This simply means they are the primary reproductive organs. Ovaries produce and release two groups of sex hormones, progesterone and estrogen. There are actually three major estrogens known as estradiol, estrone, and estriol. These substances work together to promote the healthy development of female sex characteristics during puberty and to ensure fertility. Estrogen is instrumental in breast development, fat distribution in the hips, legs, and breast, and the development of reproductive organs. To a lesser extent, the ovaries release the hormone relaxin prior to giving birth. Another minor hormone is inhibin, which is important for signaling to the pituitary to inhibit follicle stimulating hormone secretion. Testes or testicles are a pair of sperm producing organs that maintain the health of the male reproductive system. The testes are known as gonads. Their female counterpart are the ovaries. In addition to their role in the male reproductive system, the testes also have the distinction of being an endocrine gland because they secrete testosterone, a hormone that is vital to the normal development of male physical characteristics. They are located within the scrotum, which is the loose pouch of skin that hangs outside the body behind the penis. The testosterone is necessary for proper physical development in boys. It is the primary androgen, which is the term for any substance that stimulates or maintains masculine development. During puberty, testosterone is involved in many of the processes that transition a boy to manhood, including healthy development of male sex organs, growth of facial hair or body hair, lowering of voice, increase in height, increase in muscle mass, or even growth of the Adam's apple. The importance of testosterone is not limited to puberty. Throughout adulthood, the hormone is integral in a variety of functions such as maintaining libido, sperm production, maintaining muscle strength and muscle mass, and promoting healthy bone density.